Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. Trusted by industries worldwide. Among our specialized services is ISO 9016 testing, destructive tests on welds in metallic materials. ISO 9016 testing is essential for industries relying on weld strength and durability. At CDG Inspection, we combine advanced technology with a highly experienced team to deliver unmatched testing expertise. At CDG Inspection, we combine advanced technology with a highly experienced team to deliver unmatched testing expertise. We meticulously prepare each test specimen, ensuring adherence to exact specifications for reliable results. The notch orientation and placement are critical aspects of ISO 9016 testing. Our experts ensure every detail is aligned with international standards. Watch as our advanced equipment performs impact tests, providing real-time data on weld durability and performance. Once testing is complete, we analyze the data thoroughly, delivering comprehensive reports you can trust. ISO 9016 testing plays a vital role in industries such as construction, automotive, and shipbuilding, ensuring safety and compliance at every step. Join our list of satisfied clients who rely on CDG Inspection for their testing needs. Your success is our priority. Join our list of satisfied clients who rely on CDG Inspection for their testing needs. Your success is our priority. Our commitment to quality and compliance ensures that your projects meet the highest industry standards. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry and learn more about our ISO 9016 testing services. CDG Inspection, your partner in testing excellence. Contact us today to ensure the safety and reliability of your welded structures.